Sanjeev Kumar, Secretary Defence Production, Ministry of Defence, inaugurated the Prachand Light Combat Helicopter Structure Assembly Line and an automated storage and retrieval system at the new helicopter factory of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited in Tumakuru, Karnataka. GAIL India Limited has signed a key agreement in Varanasi to initiate the supply of piped natural gas to the Annapurna kitchen at the Sri Kashi Vishwanath Temple. The gas supply to the Annapurna kitchen is expected to commence within the next 2 to 3 days, making it the first kitchen in the ancient Kashi region to be equipped with PNG facilities. Container Corporation of India Limited has launched an advanced version of its Concor Maximo asset management system, reinforcing its push toward digital transformation and operational excellence. The upgraded platform was launched by Sanjay Swaroop, Chairman and Managing Director of Concor. BEML Limited has secured a major export order worth $36.38 million from the Middle East region for the supply of heavy earth-moving equipment used in infrastructure development projects. NTPC Limited has issued an open civil works tender for setting up a permanent store facility near the coal-to-methanol plant at its Vindhyachal project site. The tender was published on April 13, 2026 through NTPC's e-procurement portal. The National Capital Region Transport Corporation has released vacancy notice number 15/2026 inviting applications for senior level track engineers on a direct recruitment basis to support the rapidly expanding Namo Bharat project in the National Capital Region. The nights in Delhi are poised to be brighter and more efficient as plans are afoot to install more than 4 lakh smart street lights in the central, south, Najafgarh and west zone of South Delhi Municipal Corporation in the forthcoming months. Coal India Limited has announced that its board of directors will meet on 27 April 2026 to consider and approve the company's audited financial results for the fourth quarter and the financial year ended 31st March 2026. As part of the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative, Indian Navy warship INS Kiltan stands as a powerful example of India's growing self-reliance in defense manufacturing. INS Kiltan is a stealth anti-submarine warfare corvette designed specifically for coastal defense and maritime security. National Aluminium Company Limited has signed a memorandum of understanding with Union Bank of India in Bhubaneswar to enhance employee welfare through an upgraded corporate salary package. The partnership aims to extend enhanced banking privileges to NALCO employees, reinforcing the organization's commitment to financial well-being and workplace satisfaction.